welcome back to my channel for a new video. If you're new, my name is Macy. So today I have a quick video for you guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing first impressions video for you guys. So I got a new laptop. I got the MacBook Air. I did have a Samsung laptop, but it just kind of went out on me, so I decided to go ahead and do a little upgrade since your girl is looking into going to graduate school to get my master's. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up really quickly. So I got the 13-inch, the space gray, and it's 256 gigabytes. I was going to get more, but then I decided to, since I'm just going to be using it for school and writing papers and stuff, I figured that I would just get the, I think 256 is enough space because I'm not sure. I think my phone has that much. We like to get enough space on our phones. All right, so let's just go ahead and get this unboxed really quickly. So this is what it looks like, of course. This is the space gray, like I just said. I was going to get the gray, like the silver gray, which was the color of my other laptop. So this is my other one that I had. This is my Samsung. It still works. I mean, it's not in bad shape or anything like that, so I don't know, I might just donate it. But so let's just go ahead and get this one out. This is just the first impressions. This is just instructions, obviously. Your cord to plug it up with. Just simple stuff, standard stuff, might I say. Okay. I decided to get an iMac or a MacBook because I always wanted the MacBook. So anyways, let's just get this open really quick so I can end the video. I mean, first impression, it's nice. It looks really good. I might find me a pink case from somewhere. I don't know. Yes, I do still like pink. And I asked them if they had any pink laptops, and obviously they didn't. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very lightweight. This is the back of it. And then this is the front, the side. It's very thin in comparison to my Samsung. This is my Samsung. It's a lot heavier. And this one is a lot more lighter, as you guys can see. So I'm going to open it up really quick and then in the video. It's very sleek. I really do like the gray. I'm glad that I went with this space gray, something different. When you purchase any type of Apple products, like, an iPhone or...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
They always have it to where you set up your language that you prefer. Okay, everyone, so I got it all set up. I had to go through a lot of hoops and jumps, but it's finally ready to go. One of the things that I like about it is that I can use this button right here. I can just use my finger to unlock it with, just like the standard iPhone, where you don't have to put a code in and all that. You can just use your finger. But I mean, this iMac is pretty much like an iPhone. I've been an iPhone user for so many years now, so it won't be too hard trying to figure everything out. Of course, I'll have to get my Word document, my PowerPoint and all that, but Otherwise, I mean, I like it. So far, it's pretty good. It has all of the standard apps down below that you see on an iPhone, such as Messages, System, Preferences, App Store. Like all of these are just the different apps that you see on an iPhone. So if you're a Samsung user, then you may have to kind of play around with this for a little bit. But if you have an iPhone or an iMac, I mean, it's just going to be pretty easy to navigate, nothing too fancy. So, yep. Anyway, so that is my first impression. I like it. I think it's cool. And it's definitely going to help me get through my papers a lot quicker whenever I go to the library, because I was spending at least an hour trying to get my laptop up and running. So this would be a nice treat where I can just go ahead on and, get my stuff together so I can get done with my work. So let me shut it down. So whenever you're shutting down the computer, I just usually go to that little apple and I just shut it down. Yes, I'm sure I want to shut it down. So that's it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Cheers. And also, while I was there, I picked up these AirPods Pro. These are the Pro AirPods. So far, I like these a lot better than the other ones. Of course, these are the Pros, and it almost feels like they are noise canceling as well, because when I put them in my ears, I noticed that they sort of blocked everything out. And so this is what they look like on the outside of the box. Pretty standard. The only difference with the Pros is that it has this little plastic thing on there. And again, it does seem like that they are noise canceling. So this is what it looks like. The case is a lot wider than the standard one. So, but yep, that's it. Bye, guys.